Hey friends, if Windows Fax and Scan is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So I'll tell you what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select optional features. Now click on view features here. Then select fax. Corresponding to Windows Fax and Scan, select the checkbox, click on Next, click on Add, and let it add itself. Once it is totally added, you will be able to use the Windows Fax and Scan feature. Now, here's the interesting thing. It may or may not be installed on your system. So if it is not installed on your system, then you will have to install it. That is the only solution. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.